All right, guys, this is the Southpark Renaissance Southpark Charlotte. Hey guys, so we have clubhouse access, so we can come in here and get anything we want, please, for free. Come in here and get some. Later on, they'll have refreshments and drinks. So we're on the 5th floor. Hey guys, it's your girl Cruz Bolero. We're at the Southpark Renaissance Marriott in Charlotte for the weekend. We're here to celebrate Daddy's birthday. Daddy is turning 88, and so I have 2 siblings, so they're all gonna be bringing stuff, and we brought some stuff, so we're gonna get all together and just kind of hang out here at the hotel for the weekend. And enjoy each other's company. Anyway, I'll take some pictures and some videos to let you all see what's going on. Talk to you later.